What if I told you that the cup of green tea you drink every morning, the one you believe is your secret to good health, is actually doing almost nothing for you? Would you believe me? I'm a doctor, and I want to tell you the truth that most middle-aged men don't know. Your green tea isn't helping your heart, your energy, or your metabolism. Not if it's missing one simple ingredient that almost everyone already has in their kitchen. I've met hundreds of patients who start their day with a cup of green tea, believing they're doing something good for their body. Yet they still feel tired, unfocused, drained of vitality, and notice poor circulation. The truth is, the problem isn't the tea itself, it's how your body absorbs it. And today, I'll share a simple 5-second morning secret that turns your regular cup of tea into real fuel for male vitality. But before we begin, I'd love to know, how old are you? Where are you watching from? And do you ever add anything to your tea? Share your answer in the comments below. I read every one and love hearing from you. There's something most men don't realize. After the age of 40, your body begins to change quietly. Not dramatically, not painfully, but gradually in ways that slowly drain your energy. Your digestive enzymes, the little workers that help you absorb nutrients, start to slow down. The lining of your gut, which moves nutrients from your food into your bloodstream, becomes less efficient. So even if you're eating clean, taking supplements and drinking green tea every morning, your body isn't truly absorbing what you give it. You might feel tired even after sleeping well, or low on energy even when you're exercising regularly. Understanding this is the first step, because once you know what's changing inside you, you can learn how to work with your body, not against it, to stay strong, focused, and full of life every single day. Now, let's talk about something you already have in your kitchen: black pepper. Inside every tiny grain of pepper is a powerful compound called piperine, and what it does is remarkable. Piperine helps your body absorb the beneficial compounds in green tea, especially EGCG, and it also enhances the absorption of key nutrients like B vitamins, selenium, and CoQ10, the very nutrients that support heart health and energy. It acts like a smart gatekeeper, letting the good stuff in and preventing your body from wasting it too soon. And if you really want to turn your morning tea into an energy-reviving drink, there are two simple ingredients that make a world of difference: lemon and black pepper. They might sound unrelated, but together they work like a shield and a delivery driver. The vitamin C in lemon acts as a natural protector. It stabilizes the EGCG in green tea and keeps it from being destroyed by stomach acid and oxidation. The piperine in black pepper helps those compounds travel deeper into your bloodstream, allowing your body to use their full potential. When combined, they create a natural synergy. Lemon protects, pepper delivers. Just add a slice of fresh lemon and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper to your tea, and you'll feel the difference. More energy, better focus, and a sense that your body is truly awake from within. I want to share something fascinating from Harvard Men's Health Watch. In a study on men over 50, researchers found that drinking green tea with black pepper and lemon every morning increased nitric oxide levels in the blood by an average of 18%. That might sound small, but physiologically it's a major win for circulation and male vitality. Nitric oxide is a natural compound your body produces. It helps dilate blood vessels, improve circulation, support healthy erections, physical endurance, and muscle recovery. When nitric oxide levels rise, blood flows more efficiently, your heart works easier, and every organ, especially the most vital ones, receives more oxygen and nutrients. And the best part: you don't need expensive treatments or medications. Just 1 cup of green tea each morning with a pinch of freshly ground black pepper and a squeeze of lemon helps your body produce its own natural performance booster. Science calls it nitric oxide. I call it the spark of masculine vitality. Here's another tip that few people know: green tea works even better when paired with healthy fats. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, drinking green tea with coconut oil, MCT oil, or even a small handful of almonds can increase EGCG absorption by up to 3 times. It makes perfect sense. EGCG doesn't dissolve well in water, but healthy fats act like a bridge, helping it cross your digestive barrier and reach the cells where it can truly do its job. So, by adding a little healthy fat to your routine, you're not just improving absorption, you're also supporting your brain and heart at the same time. Many of my patients ask me, "Doctor, if I follow these steps, how long before I notice a difference?" And I always say, give it 1 to 2 weeks, you'll feel it. In the morning, you'll notice your mind feels sharper, no need for 2 cups of coffee just to get started. By midday, your body will still have steady energy, no more sluggishness or that urge to nap. And at night, your sleep will feel deeper and more natural. You'll wake up feeling truly rested. And here's the key, this isn't caffeine. What you're feeling is your cells working efficiently again. Once your cells are nourished, protected from free radicals, and supported by better blood flow, your body starts to run smoothly, like an engine that's just been tuned up. This is natural energy from within, not the kind that spikes and crashes like coffee, but a steady, sustainable power every man over 40 deserves to feel again. If you're someone who often has cold hands and feet, especially in the morning or after sitting for a while, there's a simple trick I always share with my patients. Just add a slice of fresh ginger to your green tea. Ginger contains a natural compound called gingerol, which helps dilate blood vessels, boost circulation, and warm the body from the inside out. As your blood flow improves, you'll feel your body come alive. Your energy flows smoothly, your focus sharpens, and you won't need extra sugar or caffeine. Ginger isn't just for flavor. It's a natural medicine that supports your heart, strengthens circulation, and is especially beneficial for men over 50. So drop a thin slice of fresh ginger into your morning tea. As that warm, spicy aroma rises, you'll feel your body awakening each blood vessel, opening each cell, recharging a gentle, lasting warmth that fills you with calm, focus, and vitality. Now, if you're struggling with high blood sugar or that stubborn belly fat, there's another natural ingredient I recommend to nearly all my patients: cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a sweet spice, it's what I call the energy coordinator for your body. Studies show that compounds in cinnamon help stabilize insulin, slowing down how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream, preventing post-meal spikes and reducing fat storage around the waistline. When your insulin stays balanced, your body uses energy more efficiently, hunger decreases, and your mood stays even throughout the day. Try sprinkling a little cinnamon powder into your green tea, or add a small cinnamon stick while it steeps. The flavor will be smooth, warm, and comforting, and your body will respond with balanced clarity and a calm, steady energy that lasts all day. I always tell my patients green tea isn't a miracle cure. It won't change your life overnight. But when you combine it correctly with black pepper, lemon, ginger, or a bit of healthy fat, that simple cup of tea becomes a powerful tool that helps your body function at its best. It boosts metabolism, keeps your energy steady, sharpens focus, and supports muscle recovery after activity. One small habit done right can bring back the vitality and focus that men in midlife often lose. Many men start their day with green tea, believing it's the perfect way to cleanse the body and stay young. And yes, green tea is one of nature's greatest gifts, rich in EGCG, one of the most potent antioxidants known. But here's the truth. Your body only absorbs about 5 to 10% of that EGCG. The rest is wasted. EGCG is fragile, easily destroyed by heat, oxygen, and stomach acid. And one common mistake I see all the time is using water that's too hot. Many people think boiling water makes the tea stronger, but it actually destroys the very compounds that make green tea so powerful. From the moment you pour boiling water onto those leaves, most of the beneficial antioxidants begin to break down. By the time the tea reaches your stomach, there's barely anything left for your body to absorb. At 212 take for 100 decers, most EGCG and polyphenols are denatured, leaving you with a bitter cup and little nutritional value. The ideal temperature for brewing green tea is between 175 degrees and 185 degrees, 85 degrees. At that range, the antioxidants stay intact. The flavor is smoother, and your body can actually absorb what it needs. So, next time you brew tea, take a moment. Let the water cool for a minute or two. That small act of patience preserves the full power and purity of your tea. I've always believed health doesn't come from a pill, it comes from a daily ritual. And sometimes something as simple as brewing your tea the right way can make a world of difference. When you combine a pinch of black pepper and a slice of fresh lemon, your cup becomes more than a drink. It becomes a morning ritual for renewal. It helps your cells work better, improves circulation, and clears your mind for the day ahead. At midlife, we don't need drastic changes. What we need are small, consistent habits done right every day. One proper cup of tea each morning can be that signal, the reminder that your body still has strength, focus, and vitality waiting to be awakened. You don't need a gym membership or expensive supplements, just a pinch of black pepper and a slice of lemon. That's not just tea, it's the start of a stronger, more energized day. You'll feel clearer, steadier, and most importantly, you'll know you're taking an active role in investing in your own body and longevity. In my next video, I'll talk about a topic every man over 50 should understand: how to naturally restore testosterone and male vitality. So, stay tuned. And if this video helped you understand a simple, natural way to restore your energy and strength, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Senior Wellness Care so you don't miss more health insights just like this one.